column. This part is the triangle and triangle support, and this part is the base. Okay, let's begin from the top. Here is the this one is the gear head box. It's gearbox. It's driven by different gears inside to ensure the powerful drilling and milling. So, like the drilling machines, our drilling machines, this machine also have different drilling and milling speeds. So you can see there's a chart here. It shows different speeds. You can see B, C, it's in the low speed, it's 140. Okay, from where you can see B and C. Okay, here in the right side, you can see there's A, B, okay, and C, D. With different assemble of the handle, they could achieve different speeds. Okay, I'll show you how to adjust. Okay, just press the handle. This will you can hear there's yes. When you receive the machine, you can feel it. Yes, it's like pull. Yes, it's in the present, it will have sounds. So you could adjust the speed. And here, this is the spindle or spindle feet. We call it a spindle. And here, here, we have different. We have a scale here to show the feeding depths, and this part, yeah, okay. This part, if you want drilling like the drilling machine, this is the very general operation like this. Install a drilling bit and drilling the machines, but when you want to make a milling functions, this machine you have to make it fixed at a position. Okay, in this time, in this status, in the milling functions of the vertical milling, you have to use this. This is to lock down. Yes. This is to lock the spindle, so you can milling the parts. When you make a milling operation, the work table move right and left, forward and backward to make the surface, the material surface milling by the milling bit. Okay, you can see. Here, there's a handle. Okay, there's a wheel. This wheel is for micro adjusting of the spindle. Okay, I'll show micro spindle. Okay, here you can see there's a very small knob. This is to this lock this. Okay. Okay. We have to lock it down, and okay. This part will not working. Wait a moment, please. Okay. When you make a macro adjusting, you have to lock this handle. Lock. You can see when I move this wheel, the handle is moving up and down, but it's moving very in a very small distance. Small distance. Okay, as the process is working, it's opening. Okay, and here the machine has the function. This is very basic. Okay, I will adjust the. Okay, you can see here this is horizontal milling functions. When you work with the horizontal milling functions, you have to adjust the head. Yes, you can see here. Yes, here there's a gauge and a bolt to fix this part. This part is movable. You can make a 190 degrees. Move this part to the back side to make the horizontal milling machines, milling functions. And the horizontal milling also have different speed. They have 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, 12 different speeds by these 3 wheels, these 3 handles in the different places. And I can see it's very. For example, in this is A and B. In A status and in C status, this part 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2, 1. AC1, the speed is 48. And in 1A, 1D, the speed is 132. It's very easy to read the speed and to adjust the speed you want. Okay, that's the head part. This part, this is a belt drive, a belt inside to driven by a powerful motor to the belt and the motor in the bottom to drive the machines. Okay, let's back to the front side of the machines. Here is the work table. This is a very important part because its size will and the travel of the table will affect the machine working capacity. This part, the table is 1,120 millimeters width, and the depth here is 280 millimeters. They have T slots on the table, 3 T slots on the table. This will help you to fix the materials on the table very well, because when you make milling functions, it's very, very powerful. If you do not fix it very well, you will not mix the get a very, very precise milling. And here, when meaning the functions, you can see the spindle here could not move. So we have to move the handle. You have to move the work table from right and left and front and forward, back side. So this hand wheel, and this hand wheel is to adjust the work table movement. So I'll show you. Yeah, you can see the table here is moving with the dovetail guideways. But you can see, yes, if you want to make a repeat meaning, you have to move the hand wheel. Okay, you have to continuous moving the hand wheels and to make the work table front and back. Also, you have to adjust left and right. Okay, this is very okay. This is a very hard job. So we have a smart device for this. This is the electric feed. With this device, you don't need to the hand wheel. Just power it on, and left, right, yeah, just with this handle, the work table will move automatically, and when to the limit, here there's a switch. When they arrive this here, the limit press, it will stop. And you could adjust the speed according to the materials you are working. For example, if you work mild steel, stainless steel, or other different materials, you could adjust the different speeds. Okay, that's I want to show about the work table. Here the base. There's a built-in coolant tank. So when you make the milling functions, this is for coolant of the milling blades and the materials. The liquid will not split to the ground, just to this pan, and it will collect the coolant liquid and make a repeat circle. So to make a continuous coolant and lubrication of the materials and the milling blades. Okay. Introduce about this. I introduce the important control box for these machines. You can see there's two lines. I can see you must very familiar with this one, the emergency stop and the power on. Here, high and low. It means high speed and low speed is very easy. And here is the coolant. Okay, this is vertical. And this is means different directions of the vertical spindle. And this is the stop for the vertical. Okay, this part is for horizontal operation. They are in the how to say? Yes, This and this is for moving the start the spider in the different places. Okay, this is the general machines. Okay, for the machines, for the mini machines here, I've got one thing. Here, this handle is to adjust the up and down of the work table. We call it Z-axis. This is fully manual. I'll show you. If you can see it very clearly. Oh, it's a very slight movement. Okay. This is a manual one. For this model, we do not have electric lift of the Z-axis. For some other models, the industrial high processing mini machines, this part we could equip an electric move and down, but this model do not have electric up and down. And okay, here is a working light. It's very useful in the mini machine. For this machine, you can see this part, and here we call it dovetail guideways. It's this part here. You can see we have something to clean the surface of this part. This part will need to keep clean, because if you have dirt, something, for example, the chip, the chips, will meeting some chips in this face but not clean. This will hurt the surface and will affect the working processing of these machines. Also, this part, we need lubrication. So normally, in these machines, there's a lot of oil grease. This is for lubrication machines. For every machine you use, you order, you have to, no matter you use it or not, it's very, very important to lubricate very normally, because this will long life the working, will lengthen the working life of the machines. Okay, this is the machine I want to introduce you. It's very, very popular models. Next one, I will introduce another popular models. Okay.
现在我们来讲一下23永久版本的一个操作步骤。首先我们要好，那我们就注册。